So I just wanted to explain this look that I did. It was from Harley Quinn Birds of Prey. It was when she was in the club in the beginning, taking shots of tequila. Harley Quinn means a lot to me. I'm a really big Batman fan, and I feel like what Harley Quinn symbolizes to me is femininity, individuality, being strong and different. I wanted to kind of portray this look how she did. It's very simple. There's no lashes. It's just glitter eyeliner and then the rhinestones and of course her signature heart. Dark lip, a hot pink eye, pretty self-explanatory. I will post photos at the end after the look, but this is what you're gonna see if you keep watching. First, I am going to be priming my eyelids, then I'll be filling in my brows with the angle brush, chocolate eyeshadow, and cleaning it up with the foundation and a small detailer brush. Next, I'll be using a white eyeshadow as the base for the pink and then blending it with a nude shadow just to make sure those edges aren't sharp. Now taking that hot pink, I'm going to create the shape and really apply it to the base. Following up with a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out the edges so they're no longer harsh. Next, I'm going to be packing on some more pink eyeshadow, make it more vibrant, and add some glitter liner here. Now I'm going to be taking a black eyeliner and smudging that out softly with my finger and applying Harley Quinn's signature heart tattoo. Next, with a nail detailing pen and some rhinestones with lash glue, I'm just going to apply that to the brows, topping it off with a ruby red lipstick and overlining my lips like usual. Next, following up with a mascara for lashes. And there it is.
I'm a boss, I'm a bitch, my boss, my shine like glass, my bitch.